you need to include in your product. These features should be aligned with your target market's needs and should support your unique value proposition. It's important to prioritize your features and focus on the ones that are most important to your target market. This can help you to deliver a better product in less time and at a lower cost. Step 5. Develop your roadmap. Now that you have defined your objectives, identified your target market, developed your unique value proposition, and identified your key features, it's time to develop your product roadmap. URL. AdMap is a high-level plan for how you will develop, market, and sell your product over the next few months or years. Your roadmap should include timelines, milestones, and key deliverables. It should be flexible enough to adapt to changes in your market or your customers' needs, but structured enough to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals. Step 6. Communicate your strategy. Once you have developed your product strategy, it's important to communicate it to everyone who will be involved in the development, marketing, and sales of your product. This includes your product development team, marketing team, sales team, and any other stakeholders. Your product strategy should be communicated clearly and consistently. Everyone should understand what the objectives are, who the target market is, what the unique value proposition is, what the key features are, and what the roadmap is. This can help to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals and that your product is delivered on time and on budget. Step 7. Evaluate and refine your strategy. Creating a product strategy is not a one-time event. To stay competitive, you need to evaluate and refine your strategy on a regular basis. This means measuring and analyzing your product's performance. Say against your business objectives and your competitors. By regularly evaluating and refining your product strategy, you can identify areas where you need to invest more resources or adjust your roadmap. You also need to keep an eye on trends and changes in your market, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Step 8. Focus on customer feedback. Customer feedback is essential to the success of your product strategy. You need to listen closely to your customers and understand how they are using your product, what features they like, and what areas they think need improvement. By leveraging customer feedback, you can gain valuable insights into your target market's needs and preferences. You can use this feedback to adjust your strategy, prioritize features, and refine our roadmap. In addition to talking to customers directly, you can also use tools such as surveys, analytics, and user testing to gather feedback. By taking a data-driven approach to customer feedback, you can make informed decisions that will help you to improve your product and strengthen your strategy. Step 9. Align your product strategy with company culture. Your product strategy needs to be aligned with your company culture. This means ensuring that everyone in your organization understands your strategy and is working towards the same goals. To achieve this, you need to create a culture that is focused on customer value and innovation. You need to encourage collaboration between different teams and departments, and ensure that everyone feels empowered to contribute to the success of your product. By aligning your product strategy with your company culture, you can create a sense of shared purpose that will motivate your team and help you to achieve your business objectives.